Prototyping is the process of producing a small number of parts before mass production. Companies may perform prototyping for a variety of purposes, such as accurately viewing the part's appearance and testing whether the part works as expected. Therefore, for these situations, it is critical to have precision capabilities and reliable turnaround times. Prototype machining is not 3D printing. Using CNC has very many advantages for prototype machining. CNC machines are highly automated. It can run exactly as your instructions, so CNC machining is faster, while processing with higher accuracy. And it is not as limited by materials as 3D printing. A variety of materials can be CNC processing, as long as the material is hard enough that it will not deform and melt under the pressure of the cutting action. It can be used. Waken has 3, 4 and 5-axis professional-grade CNC machines that can provide you with high complexity and high-precision machining to meet your product accuracy requirements. So you can also simulate the appearance, function and material properties of the final product. Test the suitability and manufacturability of the components. At the same time, we can guarantee continuous operation 24/7, saving you time on prototype production. You can trust us with your prototype manufacturing and we will provide you with a perfect solution.